Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be an unboxing video of the KYT TT-Course Helmet, and in this video I'll be showing you the unboxing. I'll be giving you the review and I'll be explaining you about the features of the new KYT TT-Course Helmet. So here is the helmet, so let me take that up. So yeah guys, so this is the helmet which I was talking about. This is a KYT TT-Course. The graphics design name here is it. So it goes Flux Jamimasia Replica. So this is the MotoGP Replica edition. So let me unbox it now. So it comes with a user manual, so you can see it here. It comes along with some stickers, so I'll be looking into it later. So let me open the helmet. So here is the helmet I was talking about. So this is a cover which they have given. That comes along with the helmet. And let me quickly open it. So the packaging is good. So it comes with another covered packing. So let's just throw it here. So yeah, so guys, this is the helmet I was talking about. So this is the TT-Course Jamimasia Replica. This is a MotoGP Replica edition helmet. So this is what I bought it from. This is what I bought it yesterday. I was facing a little bit of difficulties with my previous helmet, so I had to replace it. So here's the look of the helmet. This comes with a very good graphics. The quality of the graphics is really good. And you can see the color. The color is really good, and you can see it comes with a clear visor. So if you're looking forward to buy a shaded visor or a iridium visor, you can buy it online, or you can buy it from their local store as well. So it comes with the sizes here. You can see it comes from starting from XS to XXL, so any of the sizes you can purchase from. And you can also see that it has a lot of features. It can be worn with your glasses, and it comes with an anti-scratch visor. It comes with a pin lock ready, but the pin lock is not included in this package, so you'll have to buy it from outside, or buy it from offline store, or you can order it online. And to talk about the vents that they have given here, so they've given one vent for air at the front, and here you can see at the top center you can see another vent here, and you can see the side vents over here, which are really good to lock and unlock. And there comes these two vents which are always open. It's also ISI certified. You can see here the ISI logo is here. It's also ISI certified, and it also comes with a very good inner pads which are removable for washing purpose, and it is also also you can use your Bluetooth intercom headsets. So this has the slots inside, so you can see underneath this padding, so you can remove it, and these comes with a detachable padding, so removing and insert should not be any problem with this. It also comes with a double D ring, so you can see here there's a double D ring attachment here. Now I'm going to wear and show how it looks like, so let me try this.
So yeah, it was a very good fit. So I'll be giving you my review in the next video. Well, I got this from Race Nation, which is at Jayanagar, Bangalore. So if you want to buy it from a local store, you can buy it from there, or even you can order it online. It's available in some of the online stores. You can purchase based on your selection and the artwork that you are looking for. So I'll leave the link to the online store and the offline store that I purchased in the description below, so you can go ahead and visit it. And I'll also leave the Google Map link of the location where I got it from, so that you can go and try that. Yeah, well, so I haven't ridden it using this helmet, so I'll be going to try this helmet sooner, and I'll be coming up with another review of how it performs. The visor also comes with a lock here, just to be a safety feature here, which locks in and doesn't open up during high speeds. So that's one of the good features I liked. And the helmet is actually designed in Italy and it is made in Indonesia. So all in all, I really like the graphics of it. So it has a very good graphics I can see here, inspired by the MotoGP, and it comes with different segments as well. This is a touring helmet, and if you want to buy it for racing, there are different segments available, so you can go ahead and check those as well. It fits really well. It's comfortable, the padding is comfortable, so that's what I can say as of now, since I have not tried it on the bike. So I'll be doing it soon, and I'll be sharing my review on this. Now coming to the features, like I told you, it is really good. To this price point, it's really good. So if you want to spend more on this, you can go ahead and buy the NFR series or NZ Racing series. Even those come with extra additional features such as internal visor and everything. This does not come with an internal visor. This has only one single visor here. Right. So yeah. So I'll be coming with another video with the review of this helmet. Well, yeah, I got this for 7,200. So from Race Nation, which is at Jayanagar. So you can go ahead and purchase from there. I think you might get some good discount as well if you're buying some other any other accessories along with this. So yeah, you can come over and check if there's any discount applicable. So the visor comes with different color visors available, so you can buy it online. It would cost you somewhere around 1,500, and if you're looking for the pin lock, that would cost you somewhere around 2,500 for one. So you can get it from the offline or the online store. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe the Indian Backpacker channel. So I'll be coming up with more such videos. Thank you and stay tuned.